Boys and girls, right now we are in here, but the rain is coming. Look at the rain. The rain is coming, so that's why we have a problem.
I don't care.
But they say the path to success is easy. They lie. The path to success is hard. It's lonely. It's tiring. It's full of days you want to quit. You will doubt yourself. People will laugh. You fall more time than you win. But you know what's harder? Staying the same, living with regret, wondering what if for the rest of your life. I choose hard, I choose discipline over comfort, I choose growth over excuses, I choose my dream over sleep. Because one day this heart will turn into pride, one day this struggle will turn into a story. So if you are hard part 2, don't stop, keep walking. Look at that. View, 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 view. We just came from here. Look at that. Look at that. We came from here just now. Okay? So, boys and girls, you know what? Do you believe in that? They say that good things always comes late. So I don't know when my time will come. The swimming pool over here, and the trees, the green in here. There are so many. It feels so good. So look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna show you more, boys and girls. Listen to me. The only person who can decide your worth is you. Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for someone to clap for you. Stop waiting to feel ready. Confidence is not giving, it's will. One small win at a time. One time you show up when you did not feel like it. One time you choose discipline over excuses. You think people are confident because they are special. No, they are confident because they keep going. Even when they were scared, even when they fail. So here my advice to everyone watching. Bet on yourself, work on yourself, become so good that you don't need validation. Because when you grow in silence, your success will be loud. This channel is for people like us, people who are tired of giving up, people who are building their garden, their dream, their future. If you are with me, then grow with me. Subscribe, not for me, for the version of you we are building here. Remember, you are not late, you are not behind, you are just growing, and the world needs to see what you become. So keep going. I'm gonna show you the bug over here. Wait. I'm gonna show you the bug over here. There is something in here you have never seen in real life. But today I'm gonna show you some things in here that is named bug. This is a bug. I know bug. So now we are about to going under place, boys and girls. I don't know how to say, but it feels so good when you start traveling. Even it is a small trip, but that's something you feel inside. stay at home. When you stay at home, there are, you know, when you stay at home, there are so many things come in your mind, depressions and tensions. Sometimes it's better to go to the outside and see the world, how the world it is, how the world is going, something like that. Okay, but don't judge about my English, and I don't care about that. I don't care about my English grammar, English pronouns, because I'm still learning. And yeah, because of I do like this, I talk broken English, that makes me to feel good. So you really have to look, I stayed in here last night, so now
Lagi
time
man
for us
yan.
to
Maybe someday you'll have it your way.
someone they go like this and like that, bro.